So what's up everybody, Retro Sneakers here, back at y'all with a new video. In today's video, I'll be doing a full restoration on a pair of 1999 Laney 14s. Now these shoes were given to me by NETMAGNETISM, so big shout out to them. If you want to check them out, they have older vintage sneakers and that's where I get most of mine. Their website is www.netmagnetism.com. As always, I'm very excited to restore these, so yeah, let's get into it.
And I think about you every time. Think about you every time.
Alright, so to start off this restoration, the first step I'll be doing is separating the shoes. The reason I'm doing this is because the factory adhesive on the sneakers is very weak, so it's best just to perform a full reglue to make sure that the shoes hold up. To separate the shoes, all I gotta do is apply pressure with my hands on the uppers and I'm able to separate them from the midsoles. Like I said, the glue on these is very weak and old, so that's why I'm able to do this. So yeah, let's get started.
I know she will, yeah, oh I know she will, cause I'm thumbing through a meal, pouring out that lane still, hey, how you feel, yeah, she asked me how I feel, I mean.
So before I give these shoes a cleanup, I'm going to be removing the tape residue that's on the uppers. To remove it, I'll be using a rejuvenator eraser. All I got to do with this is rub the eraser on the suede and I'm able to remove the residue. And make sure not to rub too hard when doing this. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so now I can begin the cleaning process. To clean them up, I'm going to be using some Rejuvenator Advanced Sneaker Solution. I'll also be using a suede and an all-purpose brush and some shoe trees to keep the form of the shoe while I'm working on them. So let's get started.
They told me no worry, I will always shine, as long as I stay on my fucking grind. Consistency is key in this fucking grind. Yeah, they wanna talk to me cause I've been on my grind. They just wanna walk around me now and spend some time. People say I'm crazy, yeah they fucking right. Oh, yeah they fucking right. Yeah, they fucking right. It goes on and on and on. Feels great and then it's gone. Stay moving strong.
So the next step I'll be doing now is removing the old factory glue and residue. To remove it, I'll be using nail polish remover, cotton rounds, and a heat gun. I'll also be taping off the uppers with some masking tape to make sure we have a clean job. So yeah, let's get started.
Everything nice, need the ice, very frigid. I gotta get it, gotta get myself a ticket. Rolling with my brothers, everyone know I'm with it. Don't do relationships like yo for 70. Y'all ready, got these cats going dirty. My grandma always told me life is what you make of it. And the red brick mansion, bitch, I'm making bricks. Got them dirty sticks, so you know them bricks. They like, oh no, damn, how much did your bricks worth? So y'all get them on the 15th, fan the first. And I might just try 15 for the verse. If it really hurt, pussy nigga, call the nurse. Hey, I keep that, and I don't keep that shit, that earthy jerk. Make a nigga twerk with the earthy jerk. I might lead a nigga dead for the 31st. She called me her baby like she burped me. He can't get your hoe, she gon' hurt me. Came in with a bitch, she gon' try to hurt me. Tell me why the fuck she so thirsty. Damn, why she thirsty? Why is your hoe thirsty? Swear to God she thirsty. Why is it be thirsty? Damn, why she thirsty? Why is it be thirsty? I swear to God she thirsty. Why is your hoe thirsty? Damn. That's it.
Houston, we have a problem. While I was attempting to remove the old glue, I wasn't able to remove the glue that was placed by the previous restorer. I don't know what kind of glue it was, but it's very difficult to remove. So to remove it, I'm gonna have to use a Dremel.
Now you just another side ass nigga. Pick up them dollars, you probably can pay for a scholar. That ass looking proper. Know what you doing, no need to remind you. Me and my niggas be geeking and wildin'. No need for the silence, that's pillow talk. Just put your head inside this pillow box. Telling me lies, yeah, I heard it all. Let me hear the sexy screaming that pussy talk. Or let me just pull your stitches. It's slipping, don't worry, I'll fix it. Why do I take niggas' pictures? Most of these niggas some snitches. You mad? You thought you had it cause the money you had. Counterfeit ass niggas shine light up on the realest. I ain't paying for the bitch, you can keep a nigga.
So what's up, y'all? We're gonna be taking a quick break from this video. So if y'all don't know, I recently hit 400,000 subscribers. Now that is crazy. Thank you so much to everybody who has made this possible. So to celebrate for 400K, I'm gonna be doing a free Barge giveaway. To enter this giveaway, it is very simple. The first step you gotta do is follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Reminisce, and add me on Snapchat. My Snapchat is Retro Snickers, and follow me on Twitter as well. My Twitter is Retro Snickers. And the second step you gotta do is just like this video and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about this video and this restoration. And in that same comment, put your Instagram and Twitter account so that I can get in touch with you to get you your prize. And the last step you gotta do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. This giveaway ends next Tuesday, and I'll be picking 5 lucky winners to win a free bottle of Barge signed by me. I'm gonna be announcing the 5 winners on Twitter, so make sure you stay updated on there to know if you won. So yeah, let's get back to the restoration. So the next step we gotta do now is remove the paint from the midsoles. To remove the paint, I'll be using a midsole paint remover from God of Souls. If you're interested in this product, I'll have a link to it down below in the description along with the discount code. So yeah, let's get started.
Intimate encounters with sex and hard for me to decline. Body language got me thinking, constantly reading your mind. Only text at 3 a.m, hard to believe you all mine. Argue for commitment, less is what we commit with. I don't get the shit, but with the shit, explaining how I'm different. You don't believe me, always searching for a reason. I'm calling thinking you sleeping, you creeping thinking I'm sneaking. We can settle down or we can play around, but I won't sit around feeling my potential shit.
The next step I'll be doing now is removing the creases from the midsoles. To remove them, I'll be using an iron and a damp rag. When doing this, make sure not to leave the iron on one area for too long so that you don't cause any type of damage. The air units inside of the midsoles are very weak and are starting to crack. So because of that, I'm gonna have to replace them with some silicone. The only thing that I'll need to apply this is a scraper, and I'm also gonna be taping off the edges just to make sure it comes out clean.
Hey, Retro. Come over, my parents aren't home.
I can't, I'm making a banger.
But my midsoles are crumbling.
Let's get into it. So for this next step, I'm going to be regluing this plastic plate from the midsoles. The first step I'll be doing is removing the plate using a heat gun. Then after that, I'm going to remove all the old glue using some cauter rounds, acetone, and a heat gun. And after I'm done prepping them, I'll begin the regluing process. Set an alarm for 5 minutes.
I've set an alarm for 10:10 a.m.
So finally, I can begin the regluing process. To reglue them, you already know I'm going to be using some Barge Super Stick cement.
Trouble, smoking on a pound of perk, got my mind racing. Speed racing, foreign cars to the gas station. I knew it worked, all I had to do was be patient. Be patient, stay thinking, constant paper chasing.
Hey Siri, set an alarm for 2 hours.
Okay, I set an alarm for 2:58 p.m.
In a Rari, and we lane switching. Dirty money got my palms itching. Can't trust a soul, not these dirty bitches. In the condo, counting about 30 digits. I'm in the coupe, I'm with the booth. I'm in the coupe, I'm with the booth. With my niggas, they gon' shoot. With my niggas, they gon' shoot. I point at you and you. I aim at you, I shoot at you. My wrist is really, really cool. I think it got the fucking flu. I hit the bitch with the ooh. I hit the bitch with the I converted it to 2.
Alright y'all, so now we're on the final step of this whole restoration. For the last step, all I gotta do is repaint the midsoles and apply a finisher. So yeah, let's get into the final step.
You don't want me just as much as I want you. You don't want me just as much as I want you.
So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about this video. I love to hear all of y'all's feedback so that I can improve as best as I can. The goal for this video is to hit 8,000 likes. I know y'all got this. And make sure you don't miss out on the giveaway. You only have 1 week to enter. I'll have all the information for it down below in the description. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video and have a great day.